Elon Musk's secret deal with aliens and genies. The story behind the UFO fighter jet. Let's start with the legend of Musk's state-of-the-art fighter jet, said to be the first of its kind, with an advanced propulsion system that overturns known laws of physics. The clues to Musk's secret deal are a wild story of allegedly negotiating with ancient beings and making contact with aliens. Musk receives secret intelligence about them by imaging a UFO thanks to the detection of the SpaceX satellite that takes place on the dark side of the moon. He finds an abandoned UFO vehicle. Armed with connections, he sends a spacecraft to see the UFO, perhaps crashed in an accident, and secretly inspect the crash site. Upon inspection, Musk is fascinated by the vehicle's materials and propulsion system, which have never been seen before on Earth. He decides to reverse engineer it for his next big aerospace project, realizing that in order to unlock the full potential of his craft, he would have to risk everything and tap into the wisdom of the Jinn. Musk contacted Ifrit, the head of the Jinn, ancient beings said to possess supernatural wisdom. Perhaps these UFO vehicles are made by Jinn. The Jinn offer to guide him through alien technology, but at a high price. Musk must offer valuable assets or secrets as collateral, perhaps even his freedom in ways unknown to him. Guided by alien technology and genies, Musk prototypes the fighter jet, touting it as his breakthrough in aeronautical engineering. But this new technology has strange malfunctions that seem to align with cosmic patterns, pointing to the hidden interference of genies and the dangers of accessing alien powers. Unforeseen consequences begin to emerge. Musk discovers that his deal with the genies binds him in ways he was not aware of, and hidden costs begin to emerge, affecting his life and fortune. The story ends with a question. How much has Musk really sacrificed, and is he still in control of this alien technology, or has something else taken over?